Hey second graders, today we're going to learn about adjectives. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that are used to describe things or something. So let's practice describing things together. Let's look at this. This is a sun. What words would you use to describe a sun? Give you a minute to think about it. Okay, maybe we can talk about the color of the sun. Some people say the sun is yellow or orange. What other words would we describe the sun? Could be hot or warm. If you ever looked at some pictures, the sun is actually really big in space. Good job. These are some words that describe the sun. These words are called adjectives. Let's practice another one. Look, we have a crocodile. Take a moment and think about words that you would use to describe this crocodile. You can look at his teeth, think about how it makes you feel, think about the skin and the color that he has. All right, do you have some words in mind? This crocodile looks, you can say he looks scary. What color is his skin? His skin looks maybe gray. He has sharp teeth, so maybe we can put sharp, and then these are to describe his teeth. His skin, does it look smooth or rough? Skin does look rough. Good. So these are some adjectives that you use to describe the crocodile. Let's try another one. Ooh. Take a moment and look at this ice cream. And think about some words that you would use to describe this ice cream. All right, are you ready? Well, let's see. What are some colors that you see that will describe this ice cream? I see there's pink, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Now, what other words would you use to describe this ice cream? Is it hot or is it cold? It's cold. It kind of looks like it's starting to melt right here, so we can also describe by saying it is melting. Now, what do you think about when you think of ice cream? Is it yummy? Is it delicious? Or is it gross to eat? It's yummy, delicious, it's sweet. So these are some really good adjectives that we've come up together to describe this ice cream. Let's try one more. Look at this puppy. How would you describe this puppy? What words would you use? All right, let's look at the color of his fur. He has white fur, black fur, gray fur, some gray right here, and some brown. Is this puppy a big puppy or a small puppy? He's a small puppy, so that's another word we can use. What else does he look like? Really cute. He looks fluffy. He looks fun to play with. So these are adjectives that you can use to describe things. Whether you're writing or you're talking to somebody, you can always use adjectives to describe what things look like.